guys, are you interested in growing your YouTube channel? If yes, this video is for you because I'm going to share to you the secret on how I used to grow my YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. This is my YouTube channel, and on this month of February, I've managed to gain 30,000 views, and which means this view is increasing every day. Last month I got 25,000 views. This month now that we are still going on, I got 30,000 views, and I'm going to be sharing you the full secret. So the full secret on getting views on YouTube is you knowing how to do keyword research. Doing keyword research, it's all about you knowing whether people are searching for your topic that you want to talk about on your YouTube channel. So being you an entertainer, whatever that your niche is, you need to know how to do this keyword research. And on today's video, I'm going to be using Google to do this keyword research. So stay tuned on this video, and you are going to learn everything in full details. So, and one more thing, don't forget to share this video right now and subscribe to my YouTube
So
channel.
guys, for us to do our keyword research, we need to use Google Ad. You can create your own account. Creating is 100% free. If you want me to do a video on how you can actually create it, I will do a video. But right now we are not going to run a campaign because this is online advertising platform created by Google. But we are not going to run a campaign here. What we want to use it and do is keyword research to find out exactly what people are searching for. So on YouTube, for us to write our YouTube script. As you can see here, we click on this tools and setting. As you can see, keyword planner. Okay, click on keyword planner. Loading. Let's give it a while for it to load. So guys, you need to do your keyword research first before you can be able to write your YouTube script. So discover new keyword, get search volume and forecast. So here is it. And for this for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using how to make money on YouTube as my topic to do this keyword research to know whether people are searching for it. Okay, how to make money on YouTube, right? Okay, so should I target people whether people are searching it on Nigeria? No.
Wait, at this point now, if you choose to target people from United Arab Emirates, UK, United States, Australia, Denmark, whichever country that you want to target on your YouTube channel, all you need to do is to enter the location there. As you can see where they write enter a location to target. So for this video, I'm using all location because I am targeting all the countries on this keyword research that I'm doing. So let's continue.
I'm going to do a global, so I need to delete it. Okay, and hit save. Then get results. As you can see, how to make money on YouTube. The average monthly search volume is 10,200, and here is the competition. People who are actually talking about this is 100% low. So this is a nice keyword for us to go for in writing our YouTube script. So this one is all about the bidding, how much advertisers are paying for this. Okay, range. Okay, so this is a lot of keyword research. A lot of people are actually making money doing keyword research on Fiverr, and which is going to be my next topic. So we are going to go for this keyword as our topic in writing YouTube script. That is the first step. So the second step now is actually for us to start writing this with AI writer. So this is our next step. We have done our keyword research and know whether people are searching for our topic. So we need to write this as our YouTube script. So we are going to be getting views, because to get views on YouTube, you need to do keyword research because you are putting content out there for people to watch you. So this is actually the best one. There is another way you can do this keyword research using vidIQ. That is what I'm using, but that one is a paid version, and they have a free version as well. But I prefer this one. I use Google Keyword Planner.
Okay guys, this method is actually working 100%. Doing keyword research and making video with it is actually the best way to grow your YouTube channel, because YouTube is a search based term. So you need to know how to do keyword research for you to grow. As you can see, I've managed to get 30,000 views on this month particularly. So just doing keyword research. So for you to grow your YouTube channel, you need to know how to optimize your content very, very well. On my next video, I'm going to be telling you guys the best time to upload videos on YouTube from Monday to Sunday, even overall. So the best time you can actually upload videos and get views. You need to start implementing all this on your YouTube channel if you actually want to grow your YouTube channel. And don't forget, please share this video, and I will be happy if you do so, because you are actually helping me. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. So thank you for watching this very wonderful video. See you on my next video. Thank you. Follow me up on Facebook, Gosway Hustle channel. I'm there waiting for you. If you have any question, feel free to drop your question on the comment section. I'm going to be answering all your questions one by one. Thank you, guys.